Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks. I just unboxed this pair of shoes for you guys. I thought I was running out of time, but I'm going to go ahead and just do a full-on review for you before I head out. So I picked this particular pair of sneakers up off of StockX. And if you guys know anything about me, I don't like using resale apps. I don't like paying resale, but for this shoe I had to. I already have the box disassembled because it's like super hard to pull in and out for some reason. But here is the box. It just says Force on it in white. I paid $394, which at the time I didn't want to spend that much. I was really like, man, that's a lot for a pair of shoes. I went for $150. But now the prices have shot up to around $550, $600, which is crazy. So really happy I pulled the trigger when I did. Now, of course, the shoe I'm talking about is a Travis Scott Air Force One out of the AF 100 pack. Super dope with all the details on it. This shoe is ridiculous. My favorite rapper right now out there, and you know I love Nike. So when this was announced, I had to have them. Struck out, of course. I have zero luck on the sneakers app every time. But you know, I was able to just pick them up for retail. I mean, not retail, for resale. I wish I got them for retail. So one of the best features about this shoe is how customizable it is. So you get this little piece of cardboard right here, and you have different little swooshes you can throw on there. You get some ones that are like the flame model right there, so it just has flames all over it. When you move, they move. You get this like honeycomb type, like jewelish looking swoosh. And this is like a really thick cardboard that it comes with, and it's red. Of course, you can see that though. 8 to 11.5 is the sizing that it has on the back. I'm pretty sure that's like main sizes that came out. 12 and 13 are probably gonna have just a bigger card with bigger swooshes just because it's a bigger shoe. Or at least that's what I think. If you have that pair and that size, you can just confirm that. I'm not too sure, but besides that, let's get right into the shoe. So there are tons and tons of details on the shoe. One, to start off, which I didn't even know, the Nike Air right here is upside down and it glows in the dark. So I knew it was upside down from the official pictures from Nike. I had zero clue that it actually glue in the dark, and I'm pretty sure that's the only part of the shoe that glows in the dark as well. So that's really dope. The Nike tongue right here, I don't even know if you can pick up on that. It's upside down as well. Pretty much anything that says Nike Air on the shoe is just reversed. You get these patches on the shoes that are connected by like a little button, so you can just snap those on right there. You also get the lace dubras that are mimicking his grill, so that's super dope. Just a whole lot of thought went into this sneaker, and I really like that, especially on a pair that was only $150. If I could have picked these up for retail, that would have been just amazing, just for all the extras you get with it. My only gripe is that it's canvas. I don't really like canvas sneakers too much. They crease up really ugly. They're super hard to clean, and sometimes you can like mess it up cleaning it as well. So that's my only gripe with this shoe. Besides that, it is dope. So these came in, they're a little bit dirty. You can see right there, there's like some black marks. That's probably just factory error, to be quite honest with you. Also, the lace right here, the lace tips are like really nice, and they're 3M, so they do shine when light hits it. This whole piping that looks off-white on camera is actually all 3M. It glows really nice too. Of course, with the swooshes, you just peel them off. You can put whichever ones you want on there. That's a really dope touch. And I mean, just overall, the shoe is just amazing. You get another little patch right here that says Cactus Jack. I mean, the gum outsole, super dope. You know I love gum outsoles, and I love all white sneakers, so this is just a really dope one. And I think this is the only AF 100 that's not completely white. It doesn't have the white outsole, it has the gum. On the insole, you get a red insole. It says Travis Scott and then the Nike Air. Really just, I'm really in love with this sneaker. It is just so dope. I've seen like his custom ones that he's posted, like the green and the black ones. I think there was a black one. I know for sure there's a green one. Those are dope as well, but the all white is always going to be my bread and butter. This is my favorite. Okay, but that is going to be it for this video. Just really happy I'm able to bring in 2018 with a really dope pair of kicks, which is this one. I have a ton of sneakers I need to review for you guys. Tons of end of year sales that came out, buy one get one frees, a bunch of stuff that I need to review for you. I don't know if you can even really tell, but the one little thing that bothers me with this shoe is the mini swoosh right there. Like the little tail end of it is like kind of just wavy. That kind of bothers me a little bit, but in all official pictures, it looks like that's just the way it was stitched. Just wanted to throw that in there before I end the video. I always like to nitpick and stuff like that. Overall, just the quality on the shoe, the craftsmanship, there's really no glue stains. That's pretty much all I can complain about, if I even want to complain about that, because I'm just so in love with this sneaker. But really excited I was able to get these in to bring in the new year. My favorite shoe, hands down, that I've picked up so far. There's a few that are coming out soon that I'm really excited for as well. But for sure, this one has all my attention right now. But that is it. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll catch you guys next time.